Hello everyone, it's been a wee while since I've made a video, but as you can see we have a new addition to the classic car collection. The Miner's still up and running, as is the Land Rover, no issues with either of those. But for something that can cover a few more miles in comfortably, we've invested in a 1969 MGB GT. As you can see, this one doesn't really require just as much work as either of the other two, so this is more for a bit of fun and enjoy driving it with a few maintenance jobs as we go along. So I bought this about a month ago. It's been running faultlessly since. I haven't really done a lot other than put a new gear knob on and put the correct black and silver number plates on the car. It's got nice wire wheels, chrome bumper model. The previous owner did a light restoration including a respray, a few other bits and pieces. Going inside, you'll have to excuse the aftermarket steering wheel. This should have a banjo wheel, being the GHD4 model, but I'm working on acquiring one of those at the minute. Excuse the dog leading the seat there. Inside, it does need two new seat covers and the seats re-stuffed. They have collapsed a little, but they're still comfortable to drive. The dash could do with a little bit of a tidy up, but all these things will happen in time. And at the back, it's all very clean and tidy. Start it up here for you. As you can see, the idle speed needs adjusted a little. Which runs really nicely. I'll open the bonnet here and let you see underneath. The exhaust smoke's nice and clear, so there doesn't seem to be too many issues with the engine. It's only covered 75,000 miles since new. Local Northern Ireland car, it's always nice to see. I'll maybe the interior there. Open up the bonnet here for you. Here around and shut it off. So as you can see, a nice tidy usable car with a few jobs needing done, and I'll keep you updated as work goes on. Thanks very much.